Here is another sample of a question from UPSC Prelims where one can get the answer correctly even without any knowledge of the topic. So here is a question on Office of Profit. So let us assume for a second that we do not know anything about Office of Profit. But what we know about the preliminary paper is that it is an objective paper. What does the term objective mean? That there is no question of subjective interpretation, which is you think you interpret it differently, I interpret it differently, not possible. So pay attention to option 3. It reads, the term Office of Profit is well defined in the Indian Constitution. So the phrase well defined, I can think about it differently, you can think about it differently, but this is an objective paper, so it cannot be correct. So if you are able to eliminate option 3 in this manner, automatically B goes away, C goes away, D goes away, and you get the answer A correctly even without any knowledge of Office of Profit.